Hello, Language Services customers. Welcome to the Language Access Scheduling System, LASS for short. With your assigned username and password, you can request interpreters and document translations. If you have not been assigned a username and password, please contact us at 502-485-7939 or email languageservices@jefferson.kyschools.us. If you already have login credentials, please enter them to begin. If this is the first time you are logging in, it will prompt you to review your information and change the password. Once you log in, click the Schedule Interpreter tab. Choose your JCPS account or location. Choose the department, which is not required, and choose Translation for Service. Select the assignment date, which is today, and the time you are submitting the request. For event duration, you can choose 0 since it's a translation request, so it's not time sensitive. The source language is English. You only need to select the target language unless you are requesting a translation from another language into English. Add the description of the event. And then go to translation to date. You can add any additional information over here. If the request is for multiple recipients, you might skip individual entries and add the details in the description of the event. If it is for an individual, you can type the name, the last name, and the employee ID or the student ID. The address will auto-populate based on the location you selected. Click Upload Documents. Attach your file using the paperclip icon. Upload, and then click Submit. You will see your document uploaded right here. You will receive a submitted request notification email with this attachment. Please notice your request number is located on the top right corner. To view all your requests, all are incoming, click Today and select a date from the calendar. You can also find an assignment by clicking on Find Assignment and search your number of requests. To cancel, reschedule, or update a request, email languageservices@jefferson.kyschools.us or call 502-485-7939. Thank you for watching.